Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to be looking at a 2006 Honda Element. We're going to be checking all the fluids and the fluids that go in the vehicle by the manufacturer's specifications. We have the master cylinder right here. You turn the cover, twist it off, lift it up. Brake fluid goes in there, and as you can see, this is really low. This is the max line. Over here on the side, it actually tells you minimal and max, and we're below minimal. So we needed to add fluid. We would check our cover, and right here you can see it says .3. So .3 is what you would add to that fluid. That's the manufacturer's specs. Top it off, close the cover down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.